Welcome back. I am Akanji Korede, as I said, an advanced function tutor. So uh, we had three previous video where we solved some questions. So you can check the video and see what we have been doing so far. So here, this is question number 4. We want to solve questions on rational function. So let's read. They said, consider the rational function r of x equals x squared minus 4 divided by x squared minus 9. So the first question here, we are asked to determine the vertical and horizontal asymptotes. So let's go to the board and see what to be done. Okay, so vertical and horizontal asymptotes. So some people always think that when we have vertical asymptotes, it's talking about the y, while horizontal asymptote is talking about x. No. So as we know that we have two types of asymptotes, which are vertical and horizontal. So let us write the question first. So the question says that r of x equals to x squared minus 4 divided by x squared minus 9. So vertical asymptote is gotten where we equate the denominator to be 0. Okay, so permit me to use VA as the vertical asymptote. So how to get it? You always for every rational function, equate the denominator function to be 0 and solve the value of x. So we have x squared minus 9 equals to 0. Okay, and this is different of 2 squares, so we can simplify by saying x plus 3, and we have x minus 3 equals to 0. So x equals to 3, and what? X equals to negative 3. So those are the two vertical asymptotes. Please, again, vertical asymptotes is a value of x, so at times you can have 2. Okay, not y. The word vertical, don't think it is for y, it is for x. So again, we're asked to find the horizontal asymptote. So I will permit me to use HA as my horizontal asymptote. So that is for y now. So in this case, how to find the horizontal asymptote depends on the type of rational function. So since the highest power at the numerator is the same thing as what? As the denominator, then to calculate the horizontal asymptote here, we divide the coefficient. We divide the coefficient of the x squared in each of the numerator and denominator. So we have 1. So vertical asymptote equals to horizontal asymptote equals to y equals to 1. So that's it. That's how to find the asymptote. Thank you. Let us go to the second question. The second question here says that we should find the intercept of x and what? Y intercept. So find x intercept and what? And y intercept. So of course, if you want to find y intercept, we make sure that x becomes 0. So for y-intercept, okay, x must be 0. So let us put the value y equals to 0 squared minus 4 over 0 squared minus 9. So here we get 4 over 9. So the vertical y-intercept can be written as 0, 4 over 9. So that is y-intercept. So but x-intercept, so for x-intercept occurs when y is 0 here. So definitely we say 0 equals to x squared minus 4 over x squared minus 9. So we cross multiply. So we cross multiply and we have x squared minus 4 equal to 0. So as I said, so this is x squared minus 4. That is difference of 2 squared again. So we have x minus 2 and what? X plus 2 equal to 0. So x minus 2 equals to 0, or x plus 2 equal to 0. So the intercept will be x equal to 2 and x equals to minus 2. So to write it, it will be 2, 0 and what? And minus 2, 0. So those are the x-intercepts. So we have 2, 0 and what? 2, 0 and minus 2, negative 2, 0. So let's go to the next question.